Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how I started as a small YouTuber to this level I am. Now if you're seeing this video for the first time, do more by liking this video and don't forget to subscribe. My name is Big Joe. I started by creating my first account. That was 2020, the year 2020. So I had so many restrictions on that account, and the reason why I had restriction was that I was not being tutored on YouTube. For those of you that is going to do content creating, listen to this video well because it's going to help you as a young YouTuber. Because it's not about creating content. You might put all your whole energy in creating content, but once you not follow the guidelines of YouTube, your video will be restricted for monetization, and that was my major problem as of then. So now I'm going to be telling you, number one, you shouldn't post content that is not yours, although that one is very popular, is known. Don't post content that is not yours, and stop using people's sound. Okay, the sound you are not permitted to, that you don't have license, don't use it on YouTube. If not, you might not get copyright claim on that video, but once you want to monetize your YouTube channel, you start having issues with monetization problem. Okay, now for those of you that is posting video, if you want to start posting video, there are some things that I'm going to be teaching you, that I'm going to be saying now, that is going to help you. Okay, for those of you that is posting, don't use your normal YouTube app to post. I've already said this in on my last post, I'm repeating it now. Don't post with your YouTube app. Enter your Chrome, search youtube.studio.com. it will redirect you to your YouTube page, okay, using your Chrome. Using this method that I've said so far, using just your Chrome to upload will automatically boost your views on YouTube, because YouTube recommends video faster using Chrome, not your YouTube app. Quite right, if you want to watch your video, you might go to your YouTube app to watch some videos, like tutorial videos, for more understanding about things. But if you want to upload, please use your Chrome or any browser you feel like. Okay, now number three, make use of your hashtag. Some people don't put, I've watched some video, as if you are growing, it's very important, you have to use hashtags on your video, except if you have already gone far, you are start getting 100k view, 1 million view, and you might decide not to use hashtags on your video. But as long as you are growing, use hashtags on your video so that YouTube will spread your video to the right audience. Okay, and there was one video I did, that was last month. I said in that video concerning how to upload, like four things you need to off on your YouTube before uploading. I've said it, that for those of you that have not been following my video, please go back and watch my video. Okay, because my video is tutorial video, is going to teach you, like it's going to give you this broad knowledge on YouTube. Okay, now if you are seeing me for the first time, please go back and like and share this video. Okay, now number fourth thing that I want to tell you concerning uploading a video, you see, going live on YouTube is one thing, you understand. Live usually grow, is kind of bond with your viewers, like with your fans. So to make sure that you want to build this community that will always watch your video, like this group of people that will always watch your video, is for you to go live. Once you are going live and you are consistent on YouTube, I'm telling you, it's not by magic, it's not by anything, you start getting engagement on your video, and fastly, within the space of 1 or 2 months, you will be able to monetize your channel. I've talked about not using sound. Okay, if you are starting, don't use your sound, except you have your own personal sound that you did on your own, or you go to studio to record. Okay, so now doing this thing that I've said so far will make you grow faster on YouTube. Okay, and one more last thing, that was I went through someone's page, someone's channel, someone's YouTube channel. The person posted one content that was 3 months ago, so he posted one last month and post 2 last month, then post 3 this month. If you are that kind of content creator, I'm telling you, you will not go far on YouTube. YouTube will not even recognize you. There will not be any need for YouTube to get your video to the right audience, because why? You are not consistent. So why am I saying this? Is for you to be consistent. If you are posting a week, inside a week, let me just say about four videos inside a week is quite okay. We have 7 days a week, you have to post 4 times a week, is okay. But mine, I do post it not because of the work I'm doing currently now. It's just stopping me from not posting. If not, I would have been posting every day. But I'm telling you, posting every day is one of the secrets about YouTube for it to go viral and for it to gain much subscribers. So I'll be stopping here today. Please like and share this video.